Alright, so I just got my GoPro Hero 9. I'm excited. I'm excited to do the YouTube. And so I'm gonna cover 3 topics, or not topics, but I'm gonna have 3 different type of videos on my YouTube channel. So one is just gonna be in the life of Toussaint Customs, like how it is to work on these cars and doing some of the things. So like showing you us vinyl wrapping, showing you us fixing a car, a collision job. So that's gonna be one segment. The other thing is gonna be vlogs on business, how I overcame certain things, like how you overcome the capital issues of growing a business, hiring employees, and just the inner workings of a business. I'll show that. And then the third is gonna be entertainment. So I want to keep the channel entertainment because entertaining because that's how you get a message across. So like for example, these cars, you know, they bring a lot of attention. This is not most of what we do. Most of the work we do is just collision. So most of the cars here are collision. With this one, it was both front bumpers damaged, so we got brand new front bumper and rear bumper. We ordered it direct from Bentley. This car been here a while because we was waiting on parts. Like Bentley didn't have them in stock in Houston, nor did they have it in the United States, so I had to get it from the UK. And so we're still waiting on this cap. It's a headlight washer squirter cap. Still waiting on that straight from the UK. This is another Bentley we got here. Same thing, similar thing. Front bumper got damaged, so just a minor repair on the front bumper, nothing major. But I love this color scheme. This green on green. Oh, this thing is. I love that color scheme. And we don't do a whole bunch of these cars, because I mean we're in Baton Rouge. It's not a whole bunch of exotic cars running around, but we do enough to where I can get around them. I know my way around these things. And the Rolls Royce here, this is the shop's Rolls Royce. Well, this car used to belong to Floyd Mayweather, and we purchased it as an investment, as a separate business. So I don't know if y'all can see the slingshot in the back. So we rent out slingshots, and we also do chauffeured events in this Rolls Royce. And so part of the entertainment, I have a lot of fun stories to share. I'm gonna share how I got it. I was 29 when I got it. I'm gonna share like the expenses that went along with it, how much upkeep it is, how I found Floyd Mayweather's Rolls Royce and made a purchase. I'm also confirming. I'm gonna show you guys pictures. So things like that to keep the channel entertaining, and to really motivate you guys, like you can do it. And this is not a luck thing. It's just a process. That's it. It's not luck at all. I learned how to do most of this stuff on YouTube. So like vinyl wrapping, painting, I learned all that from YouTube. But what I want this channel to be is the channel that I could not find. I couldn't find how to take the talents that I learned and grow it into a business that thrives and succeeds. And I couldn't find a lot of financial numbers. By knowing numbers, it really would motivate me. If I knew like how I could quit an engineering job and make more money working on cars, which I love to do, I would have been did it. But I didn't know this stuff, and I didn't have the background. My family hadn't really owned businesses like this, and so it was kind of thing where I just went out on a limb. I'm gonna share that story too, so you'll have a lot of that in the channel. I'm gonna be very accurate with my thumbnails and the titles of them. I'm not gonna clickbait you guys for views or nothing like that. My focus is to be in the community, not just Baton Rouge but Louisiana. So I have a dual purpose for my channel, but it's not just to grow a following. It's mostly to show you guys what it's like and teach you how to run a service industry business through process, so that anybody can do it. And it's also to advertise for the shop. by looking at these videos, you'll see like how much work we do and our ethic and where our mind's at. And once you see that, you're gonna want us to work on your car. So I have a dual purpose, and that's what really motivated me to just get in and start doing the videos. But it's been just excuse after excuse with me. Oh, well, I'm not ready yet, my shop isn't pretty, my shop isn't clean, well, I don't want to buy the equipment, I don't want people to think of me differently. It's just a whole bunch of excuses, and we're gonna get to that too. So I'ma really thrive off the comment section on my YouTube, because I'm gonna read them. I want you guys to let me know, hey, you like the video, you don't like the video, what you want to see, what you don't want to see. If you want to see me, you know, drag a scat pack in the Rolls Royce, I'm showing it to you, because people forget that this thing is strong. It's a twin turbo V12. So if you want to see how I took this Bentley apart, or how I wrap a car, let me know, and I'll show it, and then we'll just play it by ear. So it's a group effort. It's a group effort for all my car lovers. We in it together, we're doing it together. All the future entrepreneurs, same thing, we in it together. And everybody who just like to support the business, and even if you're not business oriented, don't plan on doing it, hopefully you get the entertainment part of this channel. So let's see how it works.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to my main man Marcus, owner of Toussaint Customs and Collision, located at 1824 Highland Road, taking care of all your collision needs. The insurance company's telling you where you should go, I'm telling you where you're going to go. Taking all insurance claims, they're accepted. And he's gonna give you that high-end paint and those rental cars that you need when you've been in an accident. He can take care of all of that. You're good. And everybody's been seeing his high-end work on all his fancy vehicles, like his brand new Rolls Royce that used to be black, now it's white, that he's using for chauffeur services, for weddings, graduations, engagement parties. You be the next person to get hooked up by Toussaint. It's good. All you gotta do is call 225-223-6339. Toussaint Customs. Follow him on IG.